In a space that is absolutely brimming and filled khachakach with competition, right from the segment leader Maruti Suzuki Brezza to Ford's EcoSport and Tata's brand new Warrior, the Nexon, which is feature loaded and has incredible design, Mahindra's XUV 300 is all set to challenge the status quo with some best and first in class safety, technology and performance features. This is the XUV 300 review, all set to set the roads on fire.
Do you love me? Do you need me?
I just cannot stress the fact कि XUV 300 कितनी ज़्यादा good looking है. That's right. It's probably the most beefy, mature looking SUV इस पूरे सेगमेंट में. Of course, Ford EcoSport की जो डिज़ाइन है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी तरीके से mature हुई है. The facelift looks nice with that big, huge, bold front grille. The Nexon, on the other hand, with its lot of curves and angular design, it's a polarizing one. पसंद आए किसी को, शायद किसी को पसंद नहीं आया that big, huge, wide grin smile on its front. The Brezza surprisingly has very nice, clean, classical lines, so it ages really well. What happens with clean, classical lines and geometric design is it ages beautifully. Everything is so sharp. The front fascia with the diamond stud grille kind of thing, with the incredibly shaped DRLs, that's right, those boomerang shaped, they look like eyebrows or something like that. Raat ko, low light mein, when you have this car approaching, it looks absolutely stunning. And not just the front, the back as well. I absolutely love Mahindra के designers ने कितनी खूबसूरती से 4 मीटर के अंदर इसके proportions को बांध के रखा है and still gives it the most beefy looking SUV feel. What really helps on the top model W8 here are the 17-inch diamond cut alloys जो बाकी models में 16 इंच के steel wheels आपको मिलने वाले हैं. But this has to be the best looking sub 4-meter compact SUV. It's absolutely beautiful. The dual tone roof along with the roof rails. Now this of course is the olive dark green color with a contrast white dual tone roof. Oh my god, super premium. Nice and easy, smooth and responsive, powerful yet quiet, and surprisingly refined. I really appreciate the start stop function. जैसे ही गाड़ी स्टैंड स्टिल पे आके न्यूट्रल में चली जाती है, ignition kill हो जाता है so that you're saving fuel. And as soon as I press the clutch, boom, back on. The XUV 300 is only in manual transmission, पेट्रोल डीजल दोनों. अच्छी बात यह है कि मैनुअल गियरबॉक्स होने के बावजूद क्रूज कंट्रोल दिया गया है, which makes for great, comfortable highway cruising. I really like the suspension. You know, the track is nice and wide. जो stance है XUV 300 की, it's wide, it squats. बिल्कुल चिपक के बैठता है रोड पे. And so makes for a very comfortable drive. गैजेट वाला हूँ तो obviously टेक्नोलॉजी का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कैसा है XUV 300 में वो सबसे पहले देखूंगा. And उन तमाम पैमानों पे I will give extremely good marks and high score to the XUV 300, especially compared to competition. You know, you've got a ton of these features which you've now come to expect from this class. There's rain sensing wipers, there's automatic headlamps, there's directional fog lamps, there is cruise control, there are steering mounted controls, there are speech and voice controls, there's Apple CarPlay, there's Android Auto, there is Bluetooth, there is inbuilt navigation with turn-by-turn voice guidance, there is rear parking sensor and cameras along with parking guidelines. There is a good touchscreen display. उसका brightness हालांकि थोड़ा कम लगता है मुझे. The benchmark here really is an amazing floating display of the Ford EcoSport, जिसकी brightness and responsiveness is the best in class. What I really appreciate is a dual climate control, जहां पे ना सिर्फ आप अपने और को पैसेंजर में अलग अलग टेम्परेचर सेट कर सकते हैं, but you can also store in memory a couple of these profiles. That is completely new and very, very unique. I like the knobs, I like the touches, I like the switches. Overall, it's a very sophisticated and premiumly put together package and a super practical cabin in terms of the amount of storage that it offers. There are two USB ports and an aux and a 12-volt charger right up here in the front. Rear passengers के लिए ना USB port है ना AC vents है. Is that okay? Is that not okay? Let me know in the comment section. आपको क्या लगता है इसके बारे में? There is a glass holder. There's of course sunroof जो आप खोल सकते हैं जब ये visor नीचे करते हैं and you flip this open. There's a nice tiny light that goes up. So many nice thoughtful touches. It is packed to the brim. This XUV 300. Thank God for hill assist control. Yep, you saw how rock steady the car was there. I did not press the brake. The XUV 300 comes in two engine options. The 1.5 liter common rail diesel engine, which we have also seen on the Marazzo, and there is a 1.2 liter petrol engine. The 1.5 liter diesel produces 115 bhp of power and about 300 newton meters of torque, which is segment leading. The good thing is all this torque, ये काफी early RPM में आपको मिलेगा रेव बैंड में, so 1500 to 2500 RPM, which makes for a very enthusiastic off the mark driving experience. If you even see the ground clearance, it's 180 millimeters. It's not like 200 millimeters or something. So clearly Mahindra is mindful of the fact कि जो XUV 300 के owners होने वाले हैं, they are going to be people जो mostly road पे गाड़ी चलाने वाले हैं. Having said that, we did drive this थोड़े उबड़-खाबड़ रास्ते पे जहाँ थोड़ा gravel था, कच्ची सड़क थी, and I must tell you, the suspension, whoa, beauty. Of course, this is just the first drive. Of course, हमें अभी XUV 300 की जो कीमत होने वाली है ऑन रोड चारों वेरिएंट्स की वो अब पता नहीं है. ऑफ कोर्स देखना पड़ेगा कि शोरूम में कितनी लाइन लगेगी, कितने बुकिंग्स होंगे और कस्टमर रिस्पांस कैसा होगा. लेकिन एक बात तो बिल्कुल पूरी तरह से तय है, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव ड्राइविंग द XUV 300. जिस किस्म से फीचर्स, डिजाइन, परफॉर्मेंस का कॉम्बिनेशन इसमें आता है, द सम ऑफ ऑल पार्ट्स इज मच ग्रेटर देन एनी इंडिविजुअल पीस. Looks like Mahindra has an absolute winner at hands. I'd love to know from you, आपको क्या लगता है Mahindra XUV 300 के बारे में? क्या इस सेगमेंट में ये वाकई में खलबली मचाने वाली है? Are you going to pay with your wallet for the XUV 300 या फिर Nexon, Brezza या फिर EcoSport आप प्रेफर करेंगे? My important observation here is this has everything that it takes to unseat the market leader, which is the Maruti Suzuki Brezza. This is Gadgetwala signing out right now. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our Tech2 YouTube channel. We've got some incredible stuff coming up for you.